like when he's doing something really random. We have to learn clapping and waving.
Premieres tonight at 10 on A&E.
See ya.
Where's your red ball? Where's your red ball, Tyler? There it is.
Andrew, I love him so much. And the fact that I brought a lot of this on to him is something that I'll have to live with.
I'm afraid that if I continue to hoard as an adult, there won't be anyone to help me.
Sitting over here is a good spot, especially once Kevin puts that gate up over there.
Yeah.
Then you'll be able to mostly prowl.
Hello, I'm Dr. Chabot. I'm Suzanne Chabot.
Maybe this is Mommy's new spot.
Specialize in obsessive compulsive disorders and hoarding. Gee, nice to meet you.
I can put my soda and my phone right up there.
Both hoards.
This is where we may be hanging.